In the heart of industrious toil, a story unfolds, a journey from humble beginnings to triumphant heights. Meet our protagonist, once a laborer amid clattering machines. But in the quiet of the night, he pursued knowledge against the odds. In the face of adversity, he turned setbacks into stepping stones, forging a path from poverty to enlightenment. His determination, a beacon that lit the way through financial struggles and long, exhausting days. Educating himself, he not only mastered the machinery but envisioned a future beyond the factory floor. With newfound knowledge, he seized an opportunity, a chance to build his destiny. The journey from laborer to factory owner wasn't without challenges, yet his spirit remained unbroken. Today, he stands as a testament to resilience and the transformative power of unwavering ambition. This is a story of triumph against adversity, a beacon for those who dare to dream.